Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Arifin from Group 6. On this occasion, I will explain about chapter 3, word problem involving ratio, proportion, and percentage. Uh, sorry. The first one is vocabulary. Uh, Angel, or in Bahasa we call sudut. An angle is an area formed by two lines whose starting point are the same or meet each other. This is a picture. This is a zero angle, extra angle, yes, obtuse angle, straight line angle, lurus, reflect angle, complete angle. Next, protector, or in Bahasa we call busur. A, pro- a protector is a tool that can be used to measure and form angle. Next is length. Length is the dimension of sorry. Length is the dimension of an object that set the distance between the end. Next, width, wide, or in bahasa we call lebar. Wide is a horizontal line that straight shorter than the length. This is a picture. Example. This is a line, and this is a wide. Okay. Next, distance. Distance. Distance is a numeric measure that shows how far the position of an object from another object. In bahasa we call jarak. Jarak dari titik sini ke titik sini. This is distance. Next, percent. Percent is a form of number that represent all of part of a value or item by forming a ratio of 100. Example, 40%. This is percent. Okay. Next, percentage, or in bahasa we call percentage. Percentage is a relative value indication 100 part of any quantity. 1% symbol is 100 part. Thus, 100% represent the entry and 200% specific twice the given quantity. Example, 1% of ini chicken equals 1 per 100 of, or then chicken 12 sorry 20% of the quantity is 20 per 100. Next, height, or in bahasa we call tinggi. Height is a measure of how tall a person or of thing is. Height also can be said as the distance from the top to the bottom of something. Example, Jenny height is 163 centimeter. Sorry. Next, a base, or alas in bahasa. Generally, base is the bottom part of an object on which it rests. Base is also the lowest part of something. In geometry, base is the side of which a polygon rests on, but the top is also called base when it is parallel to the bottom. Next, side, or in bahasa we call sisi. Side is one of line segment that make a flat two-dimension shape, or one of the face that make a solid three-dimension object. Next, I will explain about video. The question is, James went to a cheap fruit shop and there was a 30% discount on all his fruit. Today, James bought 6 guava, 30% off for 12.60. The next day, James bought two guava at the original price or without a discount. What is the original price James would need for the two guava? The solution is 30% off on guava only today. 6 guava equals to $12.60 per sale price. The fruit, the full price of 2 pieces of guava, suppose X, suppose divide X is cost of 6 guava at full price. Full price of 6 guava minus the number of discount for the price of 6 guava is the price of 6 guava with a discount. X is 0.30, X is $12.60, and we have X is $18. So X is $18 is the full price of 6 guava. To find out the price 1 guava, then $18 times 6 is $3. Back to the question, what is the full price that James need on the 2 guava? 2 guava times $3 is $6. So the price of 2 guava is $6. Next, I will explain about example 2, 4, 6, and 7. The first one is example 2. And at first 7 for toothpaste claim that 4 out of 5 dentists recommended a certain brand. Consumer group want to check the accuracy of this claim and surveyed 180 dentists. How many dentists will they expect to not recommend this brand if the advertisement claim is accurate? In solving the problem, we can use two methods. The first one is using schema the ratio. Using schema the ratio of doctor who recommended and who do not recommended is 4 divide 1. For example, R is doctor who recommended and D is doctor who not recommended. The ratio is D, R as much as 4 and D as much as 1. And the total number of doctor is 180. Conversion of the number of group doctor is 180 per 5 equals to 36 people. So dentist who recommended the brand is 4 times 36 is 144 doctor. Dentist who don't recommended the brand is 1 times 36 is 36 doctor. Next, using algebraic approach. Let X the number of group. Number those who recommended is 4X. Number of those who do not recommended X. So we operation like this. 4X plus X is 180, and we have X is 36. The value of X is 6. There will be dentist will recommend that the brand is 4 times 36 is 144 doctor. And dentist who don't recommend that the brand is 1 times 36 is 36 doctor. So the number of dentists we would expect to not recommend that this brand is 36 36 doctor. Right. Next example 4. Jason is Chris older cousin. The ratio of their egg is 9 per 9 divide 5 in 5 year. Chris' age will be further more than half of Jason's age. How old are the boy now? The solution is let X multiple of the ratio their age. Chris' current age is 5X. Jason's current age is 9X. From the sentence, in 5 years, Chris' age will be far more than half of Jason's age. We know that Chris H plus 5 is 1 per 2, open bracket Jason H plus 5 close bracket plus 4. Sorry. Substitution give Chris H plus 5 is 1 per 2, open bracket Jason H close bracket plus 4. So we have X is 3 and substitution X is 3, Chris current H is 5 times 3 is 50 in, and Jason current age is 9 times 3 is 27. So there are now Chris age in 15 years old, and Jason age is 27 years old. Next is example 6. Carol candy stand sell a popular mixture of two of her candies, which sell for $2.7 per LB and $1.97. The ratio of the expensive candy to their cheaper candy in the mixture is 3 divided 5. If Carol sold her entry supply of the mixed candy during the coming month, sold we have revenue of 928.20, so which would be the same as if the sold age candy separated how many pounds of candy does he have in supply, and what price does he sell for it. The solution is, the key of the problem is, the revenue will be the same as if she sold each type of candy separately, since the ratio of the candies is the mixture is 3 divided 5. Assume that is 3 LB plus 5 LB is 8 LB was sold. That X the multiple of pounds of candy. Number of pounds of expensive candy is 3x. Number of pounds of cheaper candy is 5x. Total number of pounds sold 3x plus 5x is 8x. The model gives you the equation on bracket number of pounds of expensive candy times 2.70 close bracket plus open bracket number of pounds of cheaper candy times $1.795 close bracket is total revenue. So we have X is 52. So the mixture is in supply. Substitution X is 72 to total number of pounds sold. 8X is 8 times 52 is 416 LB. The selling price for 1 LB 928.20 per 416 LB is 2.23 buck. Therefore, 460 LB of the mixture is supply and sell for $2.23. To check, pound of expensive candy 3 times 52 is 156, and 156 times 2.70 is 421.20 Pound of cheaper candy 5 times 52 is 260, and 260 times 1.795 is $507. The total revenue is for $421.20 plus $507 equals to 99 $928.20 is correct. Next is example 7. Among the ingredients is a recipe for a sweet dessert are 2 half cups of regular sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. The direction indicates that this will serve 8 people. If there will be 12 people to serve, how much of each type of sugar will be needed? The solution is the amount of regular sugar for 8 people is proportional to the amount of sugars for 12 people. Let M amount of sugar for 12 people. Amount of sugar for 8 people divide 8 is amount of regular for 12 people divide 2. So 2 and half divide 8 is M divide 12. So we have M 3 per 4. Next, the amount of brown sugar for it proportional the amount of brown sugar for 12 people. Let N amount brown sugar. For 12 people, amount brown sugar for 8 people is 8. Amount of brown sugar for 12 people is 12. So 1/4 divided by 8 is N per 12. So we have N 3 per 8. So for 12 people need 3/4 cup of regular sugar and 3/8 cup of sugar. Thank you. That's all my explanation. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.